Hello everyone. In this lecture we will study the bisection method and we will learn the bisection method in a few minutes. Okay, now come on, we start. So find a positive root of the equation x e to the power x equals to 1 which lies between 0 and 1. So here the interval is given here. It is the interval in which the given function has the opposite sign. So there is no need to find out the interval here. Just you need to simply start your work. Okay, and we are going to start the solution here. The given function f of x equals to x e to the power x minus 1 equals to 0, and the value of a is 0 and the value of b is 1. Now we need to design a table, only a table here. So what about the table? Here we will run the number of iteration. Here we will run the value of a, and here we will run the value of b, and here we will run the bisection formula x equals to a plus whole b by 2, and after that we will run the sign of the function. Okay, sign of the function. So come on, now we start our methodology. So in the first step the value of a is 0 and the value of b is 1. So what about the programming in your calculator in respect to the bisection method? So it will be very simple. X equals to a plus b by 2. After that we will calculate the sign of the function. So we write the function here x e to the power x equals to 1. Come on, now we start typing in your calculator. So we type first x, then equal, then numerator denominator symbol, then a, right, and then plus b whole divided by 2, and then we write the colon sign here, and then we write the function x, okay, e to the power x, x, and then minus 1. Now come on, now we press the calc here, then it will ask the value of a. Give the value of a is 0, already 0 is here, then press equal. Give the value of b, so value of b is already here 1, then press equal. So now we have the x is 0.5. come on, 0.5. Now what about the sign? Sign is negative. So if the sign is negative, and okay, at the point 0 the sign is negative, and at the point 1 is sign is positive. For this sign at the point a and b, you can check it out also. How will you check? Now question is that how will you check? I will tell you in the last of the video. Come on. Now in the second iteration, so value of a will change, that is 0 in the place of a 0.5, and in place of b 1 will remain same. Now come on, again press equal, then supply the value of a is 0.5, then press equal, value of b is same, then press equal. Okay, now come on, what about the new value? And the new value is 0.75. so 0.75, and again press equal. Check the sign of the function at 0.75. the sign is positive. Now in the next iteration the value of b will change, that is 0.5 and 0.75. so now what about the new value of x? So the value of a is same. Now press the upper arrow to change the value of b. So value of b is 0.75. now then press equal. Okay, and the answer is 0.625. so 0.625, then press equal, and the sign is positive, right? So again the value of b will change, so 0.5 and 0.625, right? Come on, 0.625. so in your calculator again change the value of a and b. So value of a is unchanged. Now with the upper arrow change the value of b, so 0.625, then press equal. And then what about the value of b? Value of a is 0.5625, then press equal. What about the sign? Sign is negative. So in the fifth iteration the value of a will change, that is 0.5625. now come on, and the value of b is 0.625. now then press equal, change the value of a 0.5625, then press equal, then press equal. Now what about the value of x? New value of x is 0.59375, then press equal, and after pressing equal you will check the sign. So sign is positive. If the sign is positive, so in the next iteration the value of b will change, so 0.5625 and 0.59375. now come on, change the value of b with the upper arrow. The value of b is 0.59375, then press equal, then you can find the new value, and the new value is 0.5 0.578125, and then again press equal, and the sign is positive. In the next iteration also the value of b will change. So what about the value of b? So 0.578125. Again, come on, change the value of b. So value of a is unchanged here. What about the value of b? 0.578125, then press equal. So what about the new value of x? So new value of x is 0.570375, and then press equal. The sign is positive here. Now in the eighth iteration, again the change the value of b. So 0.56275 is unchanged, and 0.570375 will change. So what about the value of b? So value of b will be changed as 0.570375. Now press equal. So what about the new value of x? And the new value of x is 0.564375, and then press equal, and the sign is negative. So in the next iteration, means iteration 9, the value of a will change. What about the value of a? Value of a will be 0.564375, and the value of b will be 0.570375. Come on, press equal, and the change the value of a 0.564375, and then press equal. The value of a be unchanged. Now what about the new value of x? And the new value of x 0.568425, and then press equal. What about the sign? Sign is positive. So in the next iteration, again the value of b will change to 0.5664375. And what about the new value? New value of x. So the new value of x is, let me check it out. Come on, 0.5. So 0.56840625. So this sequence of approximation will continue. Okay, so in this direction you can easily find out the healthy sequence or desired accuracy answer here. Okay, you have the sequence of approximation. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.